The cabin air filter in a 2013 Dodge Durango is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, empty the glove box. Then detach the glove box by depressing the stops, tabs or pins on either side to allow it to fully lower. With the glove box down, locate the cabin air filter housing cover. Remove any screws or clips securing this cover. Finally, pull out the old cabin air filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrows on the filter. This indicates the correct orientation for the new filter's installation. Remember that some 2013 models may have slight housing variations, so consulting your vehicle's manual is always a good idea. With the old filter removed, insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrows match the direction you noted earlier. The correct filter size is approximately 10 inches by 8 inches by 1 inch. OEM part numbers include 680192AA. Reattach the filter housing cover, securing it with screws or clips. Then, reassemble the glove box, ensuring it's properly aligned and the stops are engaged. Test the AC system to confirm proper airflow. Replacing the filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, or annually, improves air quality and HVAC performance. Skipping this maintenance can increase AC repair costs due to system strain. Modern apps and digital reminders can also help track filter life.